next on Fox 4 News at 10.
A local boy shares his amazing gift to help kids with cancer.
In your corner, Fox 4 News at 10 continues. You're watching Southwest Florida's Fox 4 News at 10.
Well, these days, most seventh graders are busy with homework, maybe playing video games. But one local Southwest Florida student can already say that he's been published. 4 in Your Corner's Kira Miner shows us how his work is inspiring others. It's tonight's 4 in Your Corner success story.
It started as a summer camp project. Now it's taken flight and blasted off.
Oh, I just thought it would be something very small, and then we'd sell several copies.
Meet Joshua Galang. He's an author, an illustrator, and he's only 12 years old. When asked about his recent accomplishments, he answered how any young man would.
It feels really exciting.
His passion for writing and his love of space and planets has led this wannabe astronaut on his current trek.
Well, Rocket Trip is a fun narrative novel, children's book, about 3 children that journey into space one night when they're trying to fall asleep.
But Joshua has an even bigger purpose. Proceeds from his book will benefit Barbara's Friends. It's the Children's Hospital Cancer Fund.
It makes me feel so happy that I'm helping the children in the hospital, and I really hope that they can get better.
Since the release of the book, $400 has been donated to a wonderful cause. But what touches the heart is not the money.
The thing that pleases me more than anything is he is doing something to help his peers who are less fortunate than he is. And I encourage other children to do the same thing.
A mission that can teach kids that the sky's the limit. In Fort Myers, Kira Miner, Fox 4 in Your Corner.
In addition, Joshua started Books for Hope. Through the program, you can buy books and donate them to Barbara's Friends. The organization will use them in its library or for the young patients in the hospital. To find out more, just log on to our website, fox4now.com. It's a way to